this is what you could just typically do in a day-to-day. Let's say you want to go to, let's just say you want to go to Thailand. You're like, I want to get my business right. I want to get my body right. And I want to just be a G all the way around. Okay. So what you can do is, give me a second. My iPad is pairing. Let's say this is your day-to-day. Okay. Let's say you work. So you wake up. Let's just say you wake up because you're a lazy bum at 9 a.m. Okay. And you work let's say you have a 9 to 5, theoretically, right? Which you typically don't even need to have when you're living in Thailand. So let's just say you have a 9 to 5. Okay. And this is Monday to Friday. Okay. So this is your work time. So Monday to Friday, work time. If you eat breakfast and lunch, your breakfast and lunch is probably going to cost you total $10. These are high protein lunches, very healthy, very organic, very convenient, and delivered to the convenience of your home. So you're spent $10. And then let's say you want to go to the 6:30 class, right? So 6:30 p.m. you go to Muay Thai. Okay. And what did I say that cost was? The cost was $5.99 Thai baht. So okay. And then your Muay Thai lesson is $17. Now there are cheaper gyms out there. I'm just giving you one example. Thais do speak English. Okay, Henry, you are a fucking inbred American. I'm sorry, bro. Henry Meyer, Thais don't speak English. It's annoying. Can't talk to anybody. It's their country, you fucking moron. Sorry to be direct with you, but that is culturally insensitive and very stupid of you. Just like Americans, we don't like it when there's somebody in America and they don't speak English. Why would we not offer the same fucking courtesy to somebody else? Please explain that to me. Why we do not give that courtesy to somebody else, huh? Please tell me. All right. So I bought the new iPhone. It's just sitting on my fucking desk. I haven't even activated it yet, but somehow it's getting text messages. Yikes. What's going on? Anyways, Henry, sorry to give it to you straight, buddy, but that's just retarded, bro. In every sense of the word, retarded. Okay. A lot of people in Thailand speak English. I just don't know what you're talking about. So now your cost for the day, you do that, and then boom, you lose 1,000 calories. Plus you get cardio. Plus you get stretching. Plus you get powerful. Right? Plus your confidence goes up. Okay. Sorry for my terrible handwriting, but this is not handwriting YouTube. This is get your shit together YouTube. And then let's say you're going to go fucking after that, you're going to get dinner. That's another $5. So your grand spend for the day is $32 for the day. And that's assuming you need to eat 3 meals, which honestly you don't. Just eat high protein and take protein shakes, and you can keep those calories down, keep your expenses down. Your travel to and fro from the gym is probably worst case scenario. And I'm pumping these numbers up, boys. $10 round trip, $5 there, $5 back. Most likely not. If you take a bike like me, I ride the bike taxis. I ride on the back because it's like a nice little pre-workout because you're holding on and you're gripping for 5-10 minutes. This can be done round trip for $4. Okay. And so you're looking at a total, and then after Muay Thai lesson, if you want to go get an hour massage, throw another fucking let's just say $5 on there. So your grand total spend for the day is $47. $47 a day. So Muay Thai, everything's done. You're out there, you're home and eating everything by 9. Okay. 9 p.m. Guess what? You need to be asleep by midnight. So you have 3 hours extra. And even if you want to push it to 1 a.m., let's push it to 1 a.m. Let's make you a badass like MLD. Okay. So you got 4 hours to study, which is develop a new skill, increase your quality of life as a man. Okay. You have time for leisure, which if you're like me, leisure is watching Alex Hormozi videos and Brandon Carter videos and leveling up. Okay. And you also have, and here's another thing. If you don't want to cook or clean or deal with any bullshit, you can have a cleaning lady come over at 9 o'clock. Be like, hey, cleaning lady, can you handle my and do all my shit for me? She's going to cost you another $10. If you have a cleaning lady coming, cooking, cleaning, doing meal prep, everything. And then This time here is what you use to level up in money, muscles, game, and or frame. That's $57. Henry Myers back. Philippines is much better. I am not American. Stop insulting viewers. So disrespectful. Shut up, Harry. Shut up. Okay? Because you saying stupid shit like this is disrespectful. All right? So calm your little vagina down. Go down to whatever fucking version of Home Depot they have in your country. Get a gigantic shovel and get all of that sand out of your vagina. Just dig deep. Anyways, you see what I'm talking about, boys? This is how you can change your life for $57 a day. And that's assuming you're doing the insane Thai workout. Remember, you only have to do this 3x a week. Okay? Why would you not do that? Why?